Yo, what is up, guys? We're gonna be doing an unboxing video of the Ractous designed for gaming, not gaming, gamming. Yeah, nice Chinglish there, buddy. Anyway, this is a Bluetooth 60% keyboard that I got from Amazon for cheap. So yeah, here's the back. Nothing special there. Okay, here we go. So I got the black model, RTK61. Gateron red optical switches. There's no option for the Gateron yellows in the product listing, unfortunately, on Amazon. So I had to get yeah, the best thing, which is the red. It's supposed to slide out. It's kind of hard. There we go. Okay, here's the contents. Instruction manual. And then we got the keyboard itself wrapped in plastic. USB-C braided cable with the right angle for some reason. And then we got keycap holder and switch puller. I love it when pre-built boards come with decent tools, because you don't have to buy an aftermarket one. Let's take this out. Here's the keyboard itself. There's no screw mounting or anything, it's just held on by this top plastic right here. It's 2 ways adjustable, which is nice. Yeah, that's good. Ractous 61 keys mechanical keyboard, made in China as usual. Plastic is all plastic. I mean body, sorry. Space bar. Oh, one thing that bugs me out is the shift key. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah. Let's turn this thing on. There's a switch back here. Look at that RGB. Looks quite nice. Indicator lights over here. Turn that off. Yeah, it looks pretty sleek. Yeah, it sounds like a very old mechanical keyboard. This thing is weird. Yeah. I forgot to mention there is also silicone pads on the back to prevent it from sliding around. Well, let's try this keycap puller. There we go. Whoa! PBT keycaps for a cheap pre-built keyboard. That's impressive. Look at that. Pretty thick. Yeah, let's put that back on the switch. Oh, since we're here, might as well check it out. Here's the Gateron reds. I don't know. It's more like a darker red. These switches are horrible because there's a lot of spring ping. I have to bag glue them if I ever have the time. I only lube the WASD and the space bars, just because why not? But the rest is all stock. Yeah, that sounds pretty terrible. I need to put foam in it or whatever. Oh yeah, let's do a little sound test. So yeah guys, that was the unboxing of the Ractous RTK61BP, and honestly this keyboard is okay. I mean, it works. It's optical for like cheap, which is good, cause you know there are people who have a very tight budget, want something, you know, that works. And yeah, I guess this would be it if you want a cheap 60% with optical switches, and it's great for gaming anyway. So yeah. Oh, USB-C is in the middle on the back instead of being here, which is fine, but it's way better than being here, which some keyboards have that I despise. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.